Hello farmers, this is Fred here. Welcome to the channel. So it's time for silage making, and it's silage season now. People are starting to make silage, I myself included. And today I was just doing some preparation. This is my bunker. I'm just trying to clean it, and these are the tubes that I was using in the previous season for silage. And one thing I've noted and have been noting is once you are using tube silage, you must be very, very keen and must be wary of rats. Yeah, you see all these polythene papers. Out of 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, only 2 are good. Only 2 have not been eaten by rats. So what is my point? My point is whenever you are using tube silage, like this one is a polythene paper, it is 1,000 gauge polythene paper. Whenever you are using these, you must be very, very careful, and you must watch out of rodents and rats, because they will come and tear up, or they will eat your polythene paper. Like these ones, they have already been eaten, but I'm not going to waste them. I'm going to lay them there when I'll be making this bunker silage. Yeah, you see, is a house. For those who have not watched my video on silage, it was a garage, but I separated it. That's my chaff cutter there, and this side is where I put my silage. Yeah, on the rank there is like 25, and this one is 10. Yeah, and the height, as you can see, I put all my silage there. It goes for 4, 5, depending on the numbers of cows that I have. So you must be very keen when it comes to these rats. Yeah, the best medicine, or the best solution for rats is you start rearing cats. Once they know there is cat, but do you know why they eat? Because when you're making silage, you use molasses or morapress, or the plant that you're using. Maybe it is corn. They have what we call sugars, and rodents and rats needs, yeah, they like the taste of the sugar. Yeah, they like sugary things. That's why they keep on tearing up the tube silage. So I'm not going to give up. I'm going to use those tubes, and I'm going to cut them into 2, and then I'll lay them, and I'll put my silage over here, and I'll be showing you all the process for those who don't know how to make silage. And I'll make 2. One I'll make for bunker, and the second one I'll make for tubes. Yeah, I'm going to buy other tubes and make like 10, and then because I have a lot of fodder. Yeah, and I make all that, and I'll be showing you both process. Yeah, so stay tuned. If you have not subscribed to the channel and you believe you run 1 or 2 things from me, kindly subscribe, so that we can grow and share as much information to other farmers as possible. So watch out for those rats, because they are bad news when it comes to silage. The other method of putting silage, like you can dig a hole, and then, but the disadvantage of holes is mostly water. I did one here, as you can see here. I had a hole, a ditch from there up to there. Yeah, but it rained heavy, and I already had opened on one side, and I was not there. So all the water came, entered my silage, spoiled. Yeah. So I don't like about the 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 silage that you put on a hole, because you have to make sure that there is no water entering. You have to put on the shade, or the iron sheet at the top, and then you dig around so that the water cannot get in. But that one is not even very for the best, and the best is there for using tube, or when you are using bunker. Or the best one is the baled one, but that one is expensive. Those are for large scale farmers. But if you're for small scale farmers, use this tube. And I'll put a description of the video that I made when I was making this tube silage. So the best you can do is use tube silage. Like this one is like 3 point something meters. Yeah. Most people say 2.5, but I prefer 3 meters, because you have to tie on this side and you have to tie on the other side. Yeah, so that you can have it can carry around 600 to 800 kgs. So if you have like these 10, you have like 8 tons, yeah, of silage. And a cow can consume, but we feed depending on the body weight of the cow and the lactation stage and the age of the cow. So there are so many factors. So I can't tell you have to feed 20 kg of silage. No, 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 no. It depends. We have heavy eaters. We have other breeds that are not. They are not heavy eaters. So watch out for those rodents. Watch out for rats, and you'll be on a safer side, because we said we want to use these tubes as much as possible. You can use it like 3 to 4 times. Yeah, it is good. Other people can use it even 10 times, depending on the condition of the and the gauge that you are using. So we have hard ones, we have right ones. Depending on the one that you want, use the one that you want. So my point was, make sure that rats are not around where you have kept your silage, especially the tube silage. For bunker, there is no rat can get in, because we are going to put pressure on the top. We are going to put for me, I put on soil or sand at the top, and then I put on stones. So there is no way rodents can enter into the silage, or uh, spoil the silage. So these one are the most affected ones. These tube silage are the most affected one. You have to make sure that there are no rats that are there. So all these cannot be used again as tube, but I will put them on the bunker. So farmers, don't give up, keep on fighting. And let me show you the corn. So these are my corn here, but I have like either 2 weeks or so that I can start. So how do we check if they are ready for? Look at these, the beauty of planting yellow maize, as you can see here. So this one is what you call yellow maize. For those who don't know, the difference between these, I don't know if you can see clearly. Yeah, this is yellow maize, and it is on a milk stage. Yeah, you see, like that. It has milkish, and it is very. It has high level of sugars, high energy level. That's why I prefer planting yellow maize. As you can see here, this is yellow maize. Yeah. So this is the best stage, but I'm going to wait for like 2 weeks, 2 weeks, 1 week there, so that I can make silage, so that even other can be developed in the best way possible. So guys, that is it. Don't give up, keep on fighting. Even if you are new, just start now. The right time to start is now. Once you start, you get ideas from me, from other YouTubers. We have so many YouTube channels that they are creating for dairy animals. Watch them. Don't say I will not going to watch. Each and every person has a different view, and you learn 1 or 2 things from different people. So that is it for me. I have a lot, and I've been showing you, but I'll be showing you all the process when I'll be making it. So have a wonderful and a joyful time, and thank you for watching. See you in the next video.